HEPA 14 Air Purifier for Home, my personal experience and review. Maintaining clean air in our homes and offices is crucial for our health and well-being. As someone who suffers from allergies, I decided to invest in the HEPA 14 Air Purifier by PuroAir, and I am excited to share my experience with this product. In this review, I will evaluate its performance, features, and overall value. The HEPA 14 Air Purifier by PuroAir is a sleek, black device designed to purify air in spaces up to 1,115 square feet. Its dimensions are 8.5 d x 8.5 w x 14.25 h, making it compact yet powerful. The purifier is ETL certified, ensuring it meets high safety and performance standards. Performance and features. Coverage and efficiency. One of the standout features of this air purifier is its impressive coverage. It efficiently cleans the air in my living room, which is around 1,000 square feet. I noticed a significant reduction in dust and allergens within minutes of turning it on. Filtration system. The PuroAir filter captures everything I don't want to breathe in, including dust, pollen, smoke, and VOx. It's shown to filter particles as small as 0.1 microns, which is incredibly effective. I can feel the difference in air quality almost immediately, and it's a relief to know it filters up to 99.99% of common pollutants. Scientific backing. The purifier's efficiency is backed by third-party lab tests, and it has several certifications, including CARB, ETL, ISO, UL, and Energy Star. This scientific validation gives me confidence in its performance. Automatic air cleaning. One of my favorite features is the smart particle sensor. It monitors the air quality and automatically adjusts the power if polluted air is detected. This means I can set it and forget it, knowing it will keep my air clean without constant adjustments. User-friendly features. The HEPA 14 Air Purifier comes with several user-friendly features. It includes a timer, multiple fan speed settings, sleep mode, a filter replacement indicator, and a child lock. These features make it convenient and versatile for use in any room of my house. Customer feedback. The HEPA 14 Air Purifier has a solid 4.6 out of 5 stars from 8,642 ratings. Many users, like myself, are impressed with its performance. Highlighted review. One review from GD Harms really resonated with me. They gave it 5.0 out of 5 stars and mentioned that their house is less dusty and smells fresher since using the purifier. They appreciated the easy installation of the HEPA filters, the minimal noise level, and the long filter life. This review mirrors my own experience, reinforcing my positive opinion of the product. Common praise. Customers frequently praise the purifier for its high-efficiency filtration, large coverage area, and quiet operation. Many, like me, find it easy to install and maintain. Common criticisms. Some users mentioned the potential cost of replacement filters as a drawback. However, considering the purifier's performance, I find this a minor issue. Pros and cons. Pros: high-efficiency filtration, large coverage area, quiet operation, easy installation and maintenance, smart automatic adjustments. Cons: potential cost of replacement filters. Size might be large for small spaces. In summary, the HEPA 14 Air Purifier by PuroAir has significantly improved the air quality in my home. It's particularly beneficial for those with allergies, like myself. The combination of powerful filtration, large coverage area, and user-friendly features makes it a great investment. Despite the cost of replacement filters, the overall performance and value make it worth every penny. Call to action. If you're looking for a reliable air purifier, I highly recommend the HEPA 14 Air Purifier by PuroAir. You can purchase it here. For more reviews and tips on maintaining a clean and healthy home, check out my other articles here. This personal review reflects my experience with the HEPA 14 Air Purifier, and I hope it helps you make an informed decision about improving your home's air quality. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.